everyone, my name is Sarah Beth Sansberry and I'm the GA for the Math Collaborative. I'm so excited to see you this year at our annual Math Masters tournament. It is Saturday, March 7th from 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Time here at Frank Brown Hall. This year, we are providing an opportunity for you to engage with the Math Masters tournament through weekly math problems that we will be sending out. Your solutions should be sent to our email in video format to receive credit towards your room placement at the Math Masters tournament. Make sure in your video that you explain your answer and also follow the length guidelines posted at the end of every problem. Problems will be posted on Monday morning on our YouTube channel for you to see, and your solutions should be sent to our email by 5 p.m. on Friday. We will provide solutions for the week prior each Monday.
All right, so welcome to the first solution to our set of problems. And our first week's problem was the mean machine. The data sets 1, 2, 7, 15, 7, 18. They want you to find the mean of this after you have multiplied by 3.6 and then added 4. Well, it just so happens that there's some information that's helpful to be able to get to an answer here without having to make the numbers really big. So I want to first just share that idea really quickly. So this is code app here that I'm sharing, and this was the data set 1, 2, 7, 15, 7, 18, and this blue line's the mean is 10. Now, that's the original data set. If we were to do the first thing, multiply by 3.6, notice here the new attribute problem, I've done that. And now we're to plot that mean. I want you to notice that now the mean's 36. So the mean used to be 10. We multiplied by 3.6, and now it's 36. So an interesting point of data sets is that when you multiply each data set by the same thing, then the mean changes by that same amount. So 10 multiplied by 3.6 is 36. Now, the same thing actually also happens when you add 4 to all the data points. So again, if I were to drag after adding 4 to 3.6 and 7.2, and then look at the mean, which was 36, now we're at 40. So interesting thing to be able to solve this problem is to say, I can use the smaller numbers to be able to find the mean and then do that with the original 10. So how can you get to the 10 in 4 minutes in a quick way? So the numbers were 1. Let me see if I can try to highlight, stop sharing. I like my paperwork here. Okay. So the numbers were 1, 2, 7, 15, 17, and 18. Well, if you notice the 1 and the 18, they pair off and make 19. 2 and 17, they pair off and make 19. And 7 and 15, they pair off and make 19 plus 3, 22. So that's 3 19s. And then add a 3 to it. Now, that would be 20, 40, 60 minus 3, which is 57. And then I can add that extra 3 and get 60. There were originally 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the mean would be 60 divided by 6, which is 10. Now, like we saw with the data set earlier, 10 times 3.6 is 36. 36 plus 4 is 40.
Our second problem is line logic putting points in order. A horizontal line contains points A, B, C, and D in some order. BD is the greatest distance between any two of the points. A is the midpoint of CD. Points B and C lie to the right of point A. Your job is to list the 4 points in order from left to right. Your video explanation cannot be longer than 4 minutes.